Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It all depends wherever you are. It's Mr. Buck again, doing what we do best. So in this video, I'm going to show you what's going on at the construction site. For now, we're doing the installation of the doors. So I'll be able to show you that, but I need to go to the hardware first. Go collect there's some stuff that these people need to use there, so that's what I'm going there to do first. Then I go to the construction site, and now I needed to collect something. I can take it to the masons who are fixing the doors. You know, as I've been stating earlier, that construction is no deadline, because it's step by step by step by step. So, and the weather looks nice, guys. It's a little bit sunny. Yesterday we got some rains. Hopefully it's going to rain today too. So it's a blessing. You know, when rain, when they fall down, it's a blessing. We've been having a lot of sunlight, and we never knew that it would have rained yesterday. There are plenty of things that I need to do there. If you see my earlier videos, we've been doing the landscaping. We need to plant grass. That's why I'm happy when the rains have started. So let's get to the hardware, also the store. You got the store, then see what next from there. All right. So guys, we're at the construction site. As I told you, you're starting mounting the door. This is the door. How many feet is the door? This is Frederick. I think you know Frederick.
Hello guys.
He's trying there's something that we usually use. I don't know what's its name.
We call it a plumb bob.
A plumb bob. This one.
Yeah. So a plumb bob in masonry.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
The local dialect they call it kabiro.
Kabiro, yeah, kabiro. Yes, kabiro. So this one gives you the
straightness, the plumpness of the wall.
Oh. So have you done it ready, or it's now that you want to fix it?
I've done it already on this one.
So it's straight?
Yeah.
It's not leaning on one side?
No. It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
So guys, you can see this is our door. How many feet is it, Fred?
10 feet.
10
feet
by 8? By 15?
It is 10.
10 upwards?
By 12.
By 12. Wow, it's a massive door, guys.
It's a door window.
It's a door window. And it's a sliding door, right? Can I try?
Sure. But it's still.
Oh, you did some.
Yeah.
Oh, they did something to hold it fast. So I think after installation, we'll be able. So you know, you can see. What about this, Fred? There's something here that has some. I don't know what's. How do you call this?
Oh, this one is called a spirit level.
Yeah, spirit level.
Yeah,
So you can see when it's in the middle here.
Yeah, we can use it. We can use that.
Or this one.
Or the plumb board.
Oh, the plumb board.
Yeah.
So as you can see what's going on here, guys. So we're mounting this. So as if you remember from the video, the earlier videos, we said that we are going to have a window, a glass window. It's a thick, even if you see the space here, where I think the glass will be fitting here, right?
Yeah.
Here. I think it will be a thick glass that will be fitting here. So the actual idea was when you're outside, it's like inside. This is Mr. Victor Midua, engineer. Mr. Engineer, how are you?
I'm good, Pablo.
Yes.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm trying to remember the history of this door. What made you come up with this design, Mr. Victor?
Okay, we were told that we needed a sliding
Yeah, sliding door.
door.
Yeah.
And our client instructed that he should just get out from either side.
Oh,
So he doesn't have to come all the way from this point.
so they move.
So
They both
move.
Okay.
So if he decides to get out
can use it.
Here,
Yeah.
you can just easily slide this. Maybe the viewers will wonder how can someone walk out while we have this.
I was told this one is supposed to be
This
removed.
one is supposed to be removed
Yeah.
so that you can just walk out.
Walk out, yeah.
Freely.
Okay.
And again, now we are going to have an acrylic glass. That I think viewers know it's a very heavy glass
Yeah, yeah.
that is not easy to break.
Okay.
And again, now it will give the building a very nice house.
And yeah, you can see even like now imagine like there's a glass here, it's like you're
Yes,
outside.
it's like, yeah, so I remember that was the word of our client.
Yeah, sure.
He wanted to be inside as
While
if he's
you're outside, yeah.
So that's the reason
Yeah,
we
we have
have that door there.
it's a massive door.
Yeah.
Fred has just told me it's 12 feet
Yeah, it's 12.
by
And going up is about 10.
10,
Yes.
and he told me it's 10. It's a massive door.
So 12
So,
to 10.
what about up here? We'll be having permanent glasses,
Yeah,
right?
now that there is a permanent glass that
Okay.
is totally sealed.
Okay,
And now it's only this part that is now movable.
movable.
Yeah.
It's
So
going to
it's
be.
a door, and at the same time it's a window.
It's a window.
Sure.
Oh, it's a door window.
I don't know.
Okay, and also we have some. I think there's some here. There's another one here that
Another one here.
they're trying to fix here.
Yeah, so this is the way to the back porch.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you see again here,
Uh-huh.
this is a house manager room,
Yeah, yeah.
and then it was not exposed to the outside wall.
Okay.
So you see we have a ventilation.
Yeah, there's a
here. This is
ventilation
a
here.
window,
Uh-huh.
and now this window will be getting light directly from this glass.
Oh.
As you can see, there's no blockage here.
There's no
So
blockage,
the
yeah.
glass will allow light in, maximum light.
Yeah.
And then now the light is able to be
To
transferred
penetrate
to
to
this,
the. Okay.
this house.
Okay.
So again, this one
Yeah.
will be sliding.
It's a sliding, yeah.
Yeah. So that other side
Yeah.
is now sealed.
Oh, it's permanent
Now
system.
permanent
So it's
seal.
only one side will be
Only one
sliding.
side. Now it's able to
slide.
this, walk out to the porch.
You know, previously I thought maybe it would be fitted there. I remember this one before you came up with that design.
Yeah.
This one used to be the way to the back porch without.
Yeah. Without that one, we
Yeah.
had a porch here.
Here, yeah.
Yeah.
It was up to
So
here.
as you remember, the first plan,
Yeah.
we didn't have this.
Yeah, we didn't have this
But
one
now
here.
we have this porch.
Yeah, this one was the end,
So
but
it
now
means the door was here. Then now if you sit here, then it means you are outside.
outside
Yeah.
completely not
So
without
then,
this.
then we extended it to.
We extended it
you are-
here
so
to make
once
it more
you are
beautiful.
here,
Yeah.
You are outside.
So we also have another door here
You have another there.
that needs to be fitted here, right?
Sure.
Okay, we're going to fit this door here, and also I think we'll be able to fit another one there.
Sure.
There's another one. This one needs to be made, right?
Yeah, this one has not been made.
Yeah. So that one, we've got. I don't. How many doors are here?
Yeah, so we have this.
Yeah.
You can just come with me.
Yeah, Dr. After. Yeah.
Then we have this.
Yeah. There's this one here.
So this is the one we were saying it will be a mahogany door.
Yeah, mahogany door. This.
Because we needed a soundproof, so we'll do
Yeah,
a
because this is a
mahogany.
studio here. Yeah.
Yes. We'll do a mahogany,
Yeah.
and then we wrap it
Oh.
on a stainless steel.
Okay.
Yeah, so that you look at it, it looks like it's a steel door,
But,
inside there's a mahogany
Oh.
material.
Wow.
So it's totally
Oh.
sealed there.
Yeah, you know the reason as to why this is a studio, and you know studio because of the noise and the soundproof and whatever. I think
Yeah.
it'll be fitted inside here,
Sure.
and that's why the engineer is saying about the door.
Yeah.
So here we're not going to fit the steel door.
Yeah, it's not steel door, it will be a mahogany.
Okay.
So that is able to conceal the sound.
The sound.
So the sound doesn't go outside.
All right.
Then we will also, I think the next after those doors we will make this.
This
Because
will-
this is what currently we want to use this as our store.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So
Sure.
once
Sure.
we do that,
Yeah.
then we'll do another door here.
Door here.
Of course,
This is a steel door.
This one will be just a wooden one.
A wooden one. Okay.
Yes, maybe a mahogany,
A mahogany. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
so that we can now lock
And
our
store our material here. Because you know, guys, currently we don't have a store here. We're using someone's house, and it's very costly.
Yeah.
It's very costly. So I think after we've done here, we'll be able now to bring the materials. Then I think the next step now it's be easy maybe to go to a roof.
Yes.
Because now we can't even bring the roofing materials. Because
Yeah,
you see,
because there's no store to
there's no store to build. And also there's this one here, but this one is for the
This is for the kitchen.
kitchen.
So you can see
You can see it is
now
an
this part now will be glass.
Glass.
Yeah.
Still the same quality glass like that one?
Exactly.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
We'll just-
So even the windows?
even the windows will be that.
The
acrylic
thick,
glass.
oh,
Yeah.
oh. Just imagine, guys. I think that's why we are going.
maybe-
Oh, that's why even this space is big. I can
Yeah.
see. So
Yeah.
it will fit the whole of this space.
Fit.
Okay.
Then after it fits
Yeah.
the glass, then we'll do another. There's another frame.
Or another frame.
Yes, that is done, and then now we don't put our glasses on our pot.
Uh,
We put the glasses, then we drill them using
Oh.
the, what do you call it, the ribbit.
yeah, yeah.
Then after that, we fix another frame of our iron or steel,
Oh,
so that it is not easy
okay.
to get off that
Oh.
the glass.
The glass itself. All
So
right.
in these cases, we don't use the patty.
Oh, there's no part here.
Yeah.
So we are drilling then.
Yeah, just use the purple gun.
Oh.
Then
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You fix the glass. Then
Yeah.
after fixing the glass, you come up with that. There's a frame
So will it be
fixed again.
or frame, but will not use how you are fixing these doors?
Sorry?
How will you do it? Like the frame? Will you weld it or?
No.
No,
It's
still.
just something that is fixed and
Oh,
it fits.
oh.
It
Or like
fits
how the
very
banks are done?
Yes.
Okay, okay,
It's
okay.
just something that is using this space.
Yeah.
So it's done using this measurement.
Oh, okay.
Then now after the glass is fixed,
Then now
you
you fix it.
Yeah. So
Oh.
it's something that you force inside.
Inside
and
that.
then you drill using the screws.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. So that's where we are now, guys. I think after the work has been done, you'll be able to see. And because we had already installed the windows, so after this, we'll be able to do that.
And the next thing, we have a door
Yeah,
that have already been sent
yeah.
that we are going to work on, the main entrance.
So there's the design already.
There's a design already.
Okay. Will it be a double door or a single?
Doubles.
Oh,
Yeah.
all right. Also here, guys, we're having what you're seeing here. We're having we're making. We want to make this a flower bed. It will start from that end, goes all the way up to that side. So we are waiting for more rain. After that, we are going to do some planting. We want to plant here some grass, very nice grass. Remember, this is a water fountain, guys. Don't wonder like what this hole for. It's a water fountain. We'll have a water fountain there. There's a fish pond there in front there. So here we're going to plant. So maybe in 2-3 days time. Mr. David. So when are we planting the grass here?
We are waiting for the rain.
So if it rains today, tomorrow?
If it rains like 4 days,
Yeah.
the land will be okay now. We can start planting the grasses.
Okay. So they're able to plant from that point there.
And up there we are still feeding the soil.
So after that you levelize, then you plant. You remove the green.
We will do weeding.
Oh yeah. You do that, then we do the grass. So you said you're going to put some manure here.
Yeah, we put some manure. We need,
There's some that you did put here earlier. You told me, the black ones, right?
yeah, there's some manure we put there. Here, you see?
Yeah.
Different.
Yeah.
This is the manure we add there.
So after that, now we'll add some. Then you top up. You plant the seeds. All right. This is Mr. David. Is also helping us here. They're the ones that are doing the landscaping here. The whole of this place, it used not to be like this. They're the one working here, doing this stuff here, as you can see. So that's what we are doing here currently, and that's why I think after that you'll be able to levelize it at that point. So guys, that's what is going on here. Keep watching, subscribe, like, share and comment. And also, in case of any business, please, you can reach me out. I'll be able to put my number. I deal with lands, also do construction. If you want architectural work, or you design of the house, you can say. We've got a team here with our engineer. There's an office, a registered office that works with that. It's only that you reach out to Mr. Victor, then they'll sort that out. He's done several projects. There are massive projects that he's working on. He's a nice guy. He does follow all the procedure. There's no shortcut. He does follow the procedures, just know that. So when you call him, he gives you the procedure, what the county needs. All that will be sorted under him if sorry, if you're interested. So guys, this is what we are currently doing. We are moving on, as I told you, working on. God willing, we'll be able to fix all these doors. We fix this one here, and we start now bringing our materials here so that we can saw the roof. Then after that, now we start now doing the other finishes, because also we need to build this ramp that goes upwards. It will be also easier for us to take the materials to the upstairs. And let me give you a little history about the upstairs. You'll be wondering, like, maybe if you're the first time on this channel, or it's your first time watching this channel, guys, up here we're having some houses. They're Airbnbs. We decided to come up with this from our boss. Reason being, if you're visiting the border here, or you want to visit Tanzania, you can come have some rest, then you proceed. Because near here there's an airstrip, but not even the government is expanding it. We'll be having maybe by September. That's what they said, but I doubt that. Or maybe I'll put it maybe next year, because last time I was there, they were expanding it. We'll be having some international flights that will be coming directly here. I think they want to make it be somehow like Kisumu International Airport, so that maybe when you come from there, you can be landing here directly, because that's what we were told the last time I'd taken some guys there. So after we completed these our houses, then now we start having that. And we're also planning to see how we can be transporting guys from that place to here. You come get some rest. That's after you've booked the rooms here. These Airbnbs, they're very nice. So transport will be sorted. It will be inclusive in our charges. So these are the room looks like. This is its bathroom stroke toilet. It's big enough. Here we'll be having a bed, seat, and a table. You get that? You know how Airbnbs work. So it's not that big. It's a room, but you'll be looking very nice, because everything is in place. We've organized, so after completion I'll be able to show you how it looked like. So we are having therefore here we're able to put a roof here and complete it. So guys, I'll be able to see you on the next one. This is where we are now. Keep watching, subscribe, like, share, comment. I'll see you on the next one. In case you're looking for me maybe in IG, just go look at Pablo_KE1 on my IG page. See you guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Bye bye for now.